Hi, let me show you how to turn off and on iPhone without power button. So firstly, let's turn it off. For that, if your phone is with Face ID, you need to swipe down from top right corner to trigger control center. If your phone is with home button, then you need to swipe up from the bottom of the display to trigger control center. So basically here you need to find this power button icon in the upper right corner, then press and hold it, and you will see this power off menu in which you just need to slide right to turn off your iPhone. Now to turn on the phone without pressing power button, we need to take lightning cable if you got iPhone 14 or older models. So it looks like that. If you got newer models such as like iPhone 16, then take USB Type-C cable. Make sure it is plugged in a power source, and other end, of course, plug in your phone like that. And after a few seconds, you will see Apple logo appears on the screen. And wait a few seconds more and you'll see that your phone turned back on. And here it is. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.